we're having fun today. We're the Voya Vikings, formerly ING Lionhearted. We love Fox Chase. We've been partnering with them for the last 5 years now. You know, it's important work that they do, and we're happy to help them out in any way that we can.
We had breast cancer in our family. We have members, myself included, who are survivors. We do the Dragon Boat team because it's a great experience. We have a lot of fun. We're all just family and friends, and it's a great time.
Our company is very behind this. We've done it for, I think, 13 years. And each year we raise more money than the last year, so that's always good.
Well, we had our first race at 8:45. We did pretty well. We went out a little slow, but I think we got a 2:37.
I'm the captain of a team called Big Tippers. We're a group of friends who have been paddling for about 10 years now, and every year we use it as an opportunity to also raise money for Fox Chase.